Hi there, my name is Dmitry Kornikhov and I am the founder and the developer of the OpenMic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can spice up your OpenMic profile and make it extra special with a beautiful looking social media feed. So if you take a look at my profile on the OpenMic and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that somewhere around in the middle of my profile, I have this beautiful social media feed, social wall that pulls in my tweets and my Instagram posts. It looks pretty nice, and I figured why not add this functionality to all our profiles. And now you can easily add this beautiful social media wall into your OpenMic profile. This is powered by an application called Juicer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of social wall and how you can easily embed it into your OpenMic profile. So the first thing you need to do, you have to sign up for a free account at juicer.io. Juicer.io is a website that creates social media feeds and allows it to embed them on your personal website or, in our case, in your OpenMic profile. They have a paid account and a free account, and for our purposes, free account is pretty much enough. The main difference between a paid and free account is that the number of social media feeds is limited, and of course, with a little bit of branding if you're using a free account. But as you can see, it looks pretty nice, even on a free account. So I suggest you sign up for it and check it out. I have already signed up for a Juicer account, and I'm just going to show you how it looks like. I'm going to log in. So this is my Juicer dashboard. This is where I can create a widget and then embed it on my website or on the OpenMic profile. I can select social media sources. Like I said, a free account only allows you to add 2 sources. So I have connected my Twitter account and my Instagram account. But you can select pretty much anything you like. You can connect Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, even your blog RSS. If you're publishing articles on your blog, you could connect RSS and it will display the recent articles of your blog. You can connect LinkedIn and many other social networks. So it's entirely up to you which kind of social network you would like to add. Once you connected to some of the accounts, all the feeds will be displayed on your wall, and you can change the way it looks like. You can change different kinds of settings. For example, you can change the feed style. Right now it's set to Polaroid, but you can set, for example, to slider. And the Juicer has just updated the way your social media feed will look like. It will look like a pretty cool slider. So you can select any kind of settings. You can select different feed styles. You can select post order. You can make them random, or you can show most recent first. You can display filters on top of the feed so that people who are viewing your profile could select by social type or by account type. You can change the number of columns, but by default, 3 columns works perfect on the OpenMic and Polaroid feed here. It's probably the most beautiful one. Well, you can choose whatever you like, but I personally prefer these ones. So in order to embed this feed, you just go to embed in your site, and it provides this little piece of code. When you select what type of site, you just have to select standard website, not WordPress, but standard website. This is pretty much enough, but of course you can customize it if you're tech savvy and if you understand coding. You can click on Customize my embed, and Juicer will give you some options to customize your embed. For example, I personally like adding the number of posts to be shown in my feed. So by default, Juicer just loads all the posts. but we can change it by going to change the number of posts that show up in my feed. And Juicer gives you an example of what should be added to your code. But this is for tech-savvy folks. You're probably not going to need that. So in order to embed this beautiful looking social wall to your OpenMic profile, you just copy-paste this code, and then you go to your profile. Right now I'm logged in with my test account. So I'm on my test profile. I click on this cogwheel and then edit profile. And then I just scroll all the way down to step 7. Step 7, Stay Social. This is a section where you can add links to your social networks. When you add links to your social networks here, they will show up at the top of your profile in the form of icons, and you'll see that down below you have an additional question that says, would you like to add a social media feed to your profile? You should select yes, and it will open this additional section with instructions how to embed your widget. All you have to do really is go to text, remove this, and paste that piece of code that you have just added. And this is basically it. You don't really need to change anything here at all. So scroll down, click Update Profile. And if you scroll down, you'll see that the widget has been successfully added to your OpenMic profile. So you can see all your recent posts. Actually, if you click on them, it opens a nice overlay and allows people to view it on Twitter or even share it. And it's pretty awesome. If you scroll down, you'll see that posts have been added automatically. The only negative side of using a free account is that Juicer has to promote themselves, so they're gonna add this little posts that promote their brand, but it's not that critical. Of course, you can upgrade to paid accounts if you don't want this, and if you want more social networks. So as you can see, it just continues to load all the posts, and there are a lot of posts actually. So you can change that by changing these settings in the code like I showed you before. So let's change the number of items that we want to display in our feed. To do this, we will need to edit our profile again. We'll go to step 7. And in this feed here, we will need to change a little bit of code. So like I said, there are a variety of ways to customize your feed, and one of the ways is to change the number of posts that are displayed on your feed. So you'll have to add this little piece of code here, data dash per equals 15, and this will basically allow you to limit the number of posts in your feed. So I'm just going to copy paste it, and I'm going to paste it here in the UL class section. So right after my ID, and let's say I want to show only 10 posts. Right, that looks perfect. I'm just going to scroll down, click update. Awesome. So I have limited the number of posts. Now it only shows 10 posts. And if people want to view more, they can just click load more button, and it'll load 10 more posts. I think it's the best way to display social posts on your OpenMic profile. And I really hope you give Juicer a try and spice up your OpenMic profile to make it more friendly, fun, and great looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always reach me at dmitry@theopenmic.com or open a support ticket if you have any problem by going to Need Help, submit a support ticket. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.